Everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Redmi Note 11. But firstly, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move to the topic. If your headphone jack, or you can say your earphone jack, is not working, you can solve it by the way as I'm showing in my video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem or the earphone jack problem in your device Redmi Note 11. Let's watch the video.